If you watched my video on the two vacuum sealers that I compared, you know I chose to keep this one. I started to remove all of the white plastic coating from the unit, and you have to take apart these brackets that hold the bag roll in the back. And I took out this screw and a little nut fell inside. So it was obviously put together before the unit was assembled. So I had to take off these screws, and when I opened it up, I figured, hey, why not make a quick video showing everyone what is inside of this thing. So just lift the cover off. It's connected to the panel here, so you can't get it too far off. And right in there is all of the guts of the unit. And you can really see how hand assembled the whole thing is. Some kind of electrical converter, probably turns 110 into, well, let's see, what does it turn it into? 39 volts. So it's a 39 volt converter. We've got two fans that suck air in, and then it actually pulls through these little holes down here, and then exits out the bottom. And then here's the pump. So a dual action piston pump. You can see the two pistons there that cause the vacuum. Really, really impressive vacuum. Here's a solenoid that I assume releases the vacuum, or this might be a one-way valve. This is likely a one-way valve down here, and then this is the solenoid release that you hear pop when it finishes its cycle. And right back here we have the back of the control board. I don't know what any of that does, but looks pretty solid. And plenty of room for air circulation. So if you're wondering what's inside your Weston 3000 or 3500, this would be it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Hey, one more thing. If you'd like to watch the video comparing this unit to the VacMaster 380, I'll put the link right here at the end of the video. Please click on it and enjoy.